Does your God ever run out? Is there a bottom? Is there a ceiling? Can you only go so high? Does your God have bad days? Good days? When was your God invented? Who created him? Let me just tell you, there's no floor to my God. There's no bottom. There's no ceiling. There's no container that can contain him. There's no beginning. There's no end. He always was. He always is. He always will be. He is from everlasting to everlasting, from eternity to eternity. There is always more of God. Where you stop is where you stop. I'm telling you, we can press in for the more and we will get more. And we can press in for more and we're going to get more. And we can press in for more and we're going to get more, because there is always more to our God. There's no end to him. There's always more. He's inexhaustible. He is the inexhaustible fountain of being. I didn't come up with that. That was a commentator, Benson, I think is his name. He doesn't run out. Death can't stop him. The grave can't hold him. Stop reviewing yourself and begin to review the one who wants to use you.